didn't steal it. Please listen to me. Look over there. What is happening in the aisle?
Stay right here, young lady. Do not move at all.
Mama, I am scared. Why is that man holding Emma?
Don't touch my daughter. She didn't steal anything at all.
Please step aside, everyone. Let me see what is going on. Then why is this missing teddy bear inside her backpack?
No, that is impossible. I did not put that there.
Let us check the contents of this cream backpack right now.
Oh my goodness! The stolen teddy bear just fell out! Oh dear. Did she really take it from the store?
I am recording this live. Everyone needs to see this.
She really stole it. What a terrible thing to do.
No! Somebody put it there! I bought Leo's teddy already!
If you bought it already, then where is your store receipt?
Wait. I gave the receipt to Dad 5 minutes ago! Dad went to move the car! Dad! Please hurry back!
My daughter is innocent. You are making a huge mistake here.
I want to go home. Emma is not a thief.
Kids who steal usually lie too. Do not believe her.
Please, somebody believe me. I did not take this bear. Why won't anyone listen to me? I am telling the truth.
What is all this noise? Why is everyone standing there?
Excuse me, please let me through. What happened to my family?
Dad, please show them the receipt. Tell them I am innocent.
Wait, where did I put it? I had it right here.
Oh no, where is the paper? I can't find it.
You cannot prove you paid for this plush toy without paper. See? They are just making up stories to escape trouble.
Check your wallet. You must have put the paper inside.
I am looking. There are so many old receipts in here. We must move to the security office to solve this issue.
No, I don't want to go to the office.
Please follow me quietly so we do not cause more disturbance.
Please stop recording me. Leave me alone.
Did you see what he posted? Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. We have to comment.
Please sit down while we check our store video cameras properly.
I promise I am a good girl. I never steal.
I know, sweetie. Mom and Dad believe you completely.
Please play the security footage from aisle 4 10 minutes ago.
Rewinding the camera feed now. Let us see what happened. Here is the footage from the toy aisle 10 minutes ago.
Pay close attention to the open top of her cream backpack.
Look, Emma is picking up the blue dinosaur toy for Leo.
Look right there. She paid for that toy at the cash register.
Who is that woman walking past Emma with a full basket? Look! The bear slipped out of her basket right into Emma's bag.
Unbelievable. It was an absolute accident by that customer.
Did you see it? I really didn't steal the teddy bear.
Found it! Here is the original receipt for Leo's toy. See? The blue dinosaur toy was officially paid for earlier.
I am so sorry, young lady. We made a mistake.
Please forgive us. You are completely innocent of all charges.
My brave girl, I told you everything would be all right.
Let us go back outside and clarify this to everyone now. Everyone, please listen up. We have an important announcement to make.
Attention all shoppers. Please gather around for a moment. This young girl, Emma, did not steal anything at all today. Our security camera shows that another shopper accidentally dropped it into her bag. Oh no! We were completely wrong about her this whole time.
I feel so terrible for calling her a liar earlier today.
I am truly sorry, little girl. I judged you too quickly.
I am deleting this video right now. I am so sorry.
We are so sorry, Emma. You are a very good girl.
Thank you for saying sorry. It is okay now, thank you.
Please accept this special teddy bear as a gift from our store.
Thank you so much, sir. I will treasure it forever. Yay! Emma is the best sister. She didn't do anything wrong.
You stayed strong and told the truth, Emma. I am proud.
Honesty always wins in the end, my sweet little girl.
Can we go home now and play with our new toys?
I'm so glad you stayed by my side, Mommy.
Vroom, vroom. Look how fast this shopping cart can go now.
Faster, Daddy! Faster! We are going home now!
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful and peaceful day ahead. The weather is so beautiful and warm outside right now.
Let us load these bags into the car trunk safely.
Put your backpack here, Emma. You did so well today.
I learned that being honest is always the right choice. Roar! My dinosaur is defending Emma from all bad guys. Thank you, Leo. You are my favorite little hero today.
Home sweet home. Time to relax after an exciting adventure.
Sometimes people misunderstand us, but the truth always comes out.
I am so happy. My family believed me from the start.
Who wants some warm cookies and cold milk right now?
Yummy! Thank you, Mommy. Cookies are my favorite treat.
Always remember, honesty makes you brave and strong every day.
Never be afraid to speak the truth, even when it's hard.
Family and honesty are the most precious things in the world. A sweet reminder that truth and love always win in the end.
Thank you for watching. Always stay honest and true to yourself.